Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Mike here, and we are in Washington, D.C. today. We're going to be going checking out Succotash here, and this is at basically 10th Street and F Street, and it's a really good southern cuisine, which is one of my favorite styles of food. So let's go in and check it out. The menu. Whiskey selection too. Alright guys, notice the happy hour. Amazing, 11:30 to 8. Tons of great options. Alright, the deviled eggs, green tomato, and also the bacon jam. And then happy hour. Chicken and waffles.
Amazing things. Nothing but deliciousness on our dessert.
And we got Old Forester bourbon to go with it. Alright, got some smoked wings. Alabama white sauce. Looking good. Alright guys, that food was fantastic here. If you want some southern eats, definitely check it out. We're going to be here, this is our last day, and then I'm off somewhere else. So keep checking out the videos, like and subscribe. See you guys later.